Good morning, everyone.
We got up really early this morning because we're going to see the sunrise.
Yeah, we're trying to catch the sunrise, so if you got to see it, then apparently it was successful. We're planning a pretty big day today. We're going to go around and check out the island. But yeah, stick around and come along.
The Tybee Pier. You can fish from it, but you have to have a Georgia fishing license.
Apparently spring break goes down for 2 months now out of the year.
Pretty much. Everyone's on break. So we're finding out that this beach is very long and you might not be able to walk it as we thought.
South Beach.
There's a bunch of restaurants down here. Yeah, that's always the fun part to swim in. Is it cool? Oh yeah. I remember, this is like the fun part to swim in, or to sit in.
This is like the bath water when it's hot outside.
Yeah. Not today though.
I mean, it's not intolerable. And unlike the spring, it's
yeah, this is a lot colder.
Outside. Yeah, but I could go out. I go in it
when
if it was justified by the temperature outside.
Right?
But it's actually really cold and windy.
But it was 80 degrees an hour ago.
Yep.
You're crazy. Yeah, I didn't think you were gonna do it. Woohoo!
So one thing we did notice, and I don't know if it's like this during the hot summer months or anything, but there were a lot less people down on the south side than there were on the north side. It could be just the tourists coming in.
Less parking.
There was less parking down here, but I also think the tourists coming in, as soon as they see a parking area or the beach, they just stop right there and get out instead of actually coming into the island.
Yeah, but there's not a lot of parking down here.
No, there's not.
So it looks like there's less people. So if you have the ability to walk down to the end of the island, I definitely would, because you get your own spot with less people. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed this small look at Tybee Island. We did not realize this is a really long beach.
Yeah, it's pretty big. That's why we couldn't really go walk the whole thing. Not that we couldn't, but we didn't have the time to do it.
Yeah. We ended up walking all the way down to 13th Street, and then we looked around. We jumped in our car and we looked at each of the different areas. So, but there's North Beach, Mid Beach, and South Beach. What they say, there are rip currents on the south and north end. So be careful when you swim here, and definitely look up at those little ones because they can get real fast. Yep. And parking here is $3.50 according to the machine an hour. Plenty of places to park. So
is our Tybee Island beach tour.
Beach tour. As much of a beach tour as it was. It's mostly South Beach, but
So if you like the video, please hit that like and subscribe buttons.
down below.
And leave a comment below.